If you suspect someone is using your Instagram photos or want to verify the identity of a person contacting you, you can find the original source of an image through a reverse image search. Since Instagram doesn't offer this feature directly, start by taking a screenshot of the photo and cropping it to focus on the image. Depending on your device, the screenshot method varies. For iPhones, quickly press the side and volume up buttons. For Android, it's usually power and volume buttons. For Windows, use Windows key Shift S. And for Mac, press Command Shift 4. Once you have the cropped image, use reverse image search tools to find where else the image has appeared online. For more thorough investigations, especially if you're concerned about potential scams, consider using Social Catfish for a detailed report on the person in question.